Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a new Python library package for plotting beautiful charts from raw data. So this package is called as Plotly. It's a famous package or library. So you just need to go to this and simply first of all install this by actually executing this command. It's open source library, interactive data visualization library for Python. So you can have any sort of data. It can be CSV, JSON, it can be coming from a database or API. So we are taking a very simple example right here. We have a set of JSON, array of JSON objects. Each object is having two properties here, name and age. So we are plotting this, the line chart, bar chart and pie chart. So it actually creates a web application where it plots the charts. So if I just execute this, you will see it will open three windows inside your web application. So it opens a local port number where it plots these charts. So this is actually the pie chart, which looks something like this. And the nice thing is that you can even click this button to export this chart to a PNG file as well. So as soon as you click it, it will take the snapshot and then export this as a PNG image file. So this is your pie chart. And similarly, we have also the line chart as well. This is actually the line chart. We have all these controls. We can pan, zoom, everything you can do. And then we have the basic bar chart as well. You can adjust the color, everything you can adjust using this package. So it actually, instead of matplotlib, which is also a similar library to it, Plotly is different in the sense that it creates a web application instead of desktop. So it's create a unique URL every time for different charts so that it is accessible through the web internet. So now to get started, after installing this package, now to create this, it's very simple. You simply import this package by simply writing import plotly.express as px. Then you set your actual data. So this will be an array of JSON object. Each object is having two properties. So you can take this data from any source. It can be from database or API. After that, using this data, we can plot the data right here. So we have a series of functions right here for different kinds of charts here. So this one is for the bar chart. We actually pass the data and then the x coordinate, which is the name, the y coordinate. You can adjust this and you can even give it a unique title to it as well. So after that, to show this bar chart, we simply say we invoke the show method. So similarly, we have the line chart and the pie chart as well. So we have the series of functions. Similarly, we are calling the line chart, the pie chart. So the rest of the things remain constant. We again need to provide a XY coordinate. And then for the pie chart, we say values and the actual names. So then you again need to call this the show method like this. So that's all that the configuration code is required. So once you do this, you just need to come to the terminal, just run your application and then it will start this charts and instantly will open. So it looks something like this. So this is a very simple example on how to using this Plotly package inside your Python application. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.